What's up, YouTube? It's Luke here. I just want to do like a quick little inventory and let you guys see what I've really been doing. I told you guys about the hurricane we had in Sumter County, and it destroyed the barn where I work at. So I'm going to show you. Kind of almost got it built. It's literally the whole thing was completely caved in. Every bit of it. The sidewalls fell this way. All the tools, everything came this way. Same with over here. So then I extended it out. I was like, okay, you're gonna destroy my barn where I work at. So I went ahead and added all this to it. It used to stop right there, so I went ahead and added all this right back here. There's the tree that fell on it. That thing is huge. Like here's logs. Can you see them right there? That's some of the stumps out of that tree. That's how big this thing was. And I'm just burning it all right there. That's how I do it. I just light a fire wherever I want to. But yeah, don't look at the screen. This is like my little, I built it out of just whatever. I'm a creative person. But yeah, I added all this over here. This is gonna be an actual workshop. See, I'm gonna have like my benches. There's stuff everywhere because it's still a disaster. But yeah, so the barn, I'm doing a trailer. I'm building a four-wheeler / lawnmower. Let me walk over here and show you that. I don't know if I posted anything on that. Honestly, I'm buying all new parts for it because it's just the thing I got it from as a payment. That's what I do. I do a lot of work for people for free. Like the neighbor over there. She's an older lady. She doesn't have a man or nothing. So I went over there and worked for her for free. And her whole yard was just bushes and trees, and the whole fence was down. I rebuilt it all for free, because that's what I do. I get my blessings in the end somehow. Hopefully my YouTube will help that one day. Kind of got like a dream that it will. But yeah, here's my four-wheeler / lawnmower. It was given to me, and I'm gonna build this thing, and it's gonna run when I'm done. It's gonna run good. But I'm gonna see what you can see. Yeah, so this bars right here, I actually did my daughter's initials on the front, AL. I love you, Addie, if you ever watch this. But yeah, so imagine the green bars they're gonna be green, or I'm sorry, the bars are gonna be green, but like not this green, more like a lime green, like the grave digger, the monster truck. I'm gonna paint it all that, the whole thing. I'm gonna take the motor all out. I've already pretty much rebuilt the motor. I'm wiring it, getting it ready. But I'm gonna do things different. You know how a four-wheeler has like on the handle the gas? I'm gonna have it just like a car. I'm gonna have a foot pedal. So you're gonna like sit, and then like where the lawnmower things, the clutch and stuff was, still gonna work. The choke is actually still gonna be the choke. I already got the kill switch in there. I'm gonna do like chopper handlebars, things like that. It's gonna look sick when I'm done. You guys are gonna love it. Rebuilt that lawnmower. Runs great. Never posted it, but I figured I'd let you guys see it. I do so much work around here. This RV, a camper, I rebuilt for somebody. I don't know how long of a video I can post. Hopefully I can post this whole thing. I'm trying to hurry up and get over there. Just want to show you guys that I don't mess around. That's what I hope. A lot of people hope they pick up on this. Because we need people to work. Check this out. Custom seats. This is for a Christian family, so I do like things like that right there across. They're Christian, so I didn't ask for it. I just did it. I built this actually out of plywood. This whole thing, all this plywood and some stain. But the bathroom, I built all. This is like the person's not that picky. The bathroom. It's all me. Rebuilt that. Added the toilet. What else did I do? Let's see. trying to like post a live video. It said live, but I guess I'm just making a long video. I'm gonna try to send it. I'd rather do this live. I'm not shy at all, if you can't tell. And I don't have nobody to talk to because I stay home all the time and work. So I talk to my YouTube. Oh, there's trees. I posted one about that. He was up in the tree and cut it and it fell on the place. Well, I fixed all that. It messed the roof up. Oh, scooter I rebuilt. I didn't post it. I should have. Sorry. Thing runs good. All kinds. Oh, the motor. Oh, I forgot to post it. I'm sorry, guys. I might do it today. I forgot to post about the Frontier. Remember that? I rebuilt the motor, or the valve gaskets and stuff. Did a couple other things to it. Runs great. No leaks. Still running good. What else have I done? Let me take it. Oh, the boat. Yeah, we got a boat. I put the fish tracking device in it. I put custom stereo with the speakers. See it? Nice antenna up front. Had to replace some hoses on it. This porch, I beefed it up. When I came here, it was like, it looked like that over there. That thing, it was like caving in. So this flooring, I did all this flooring right here. Here, I'm gonna flip it around. It's two separate kinds, but that's what they wanted. Did all this, all my cuts, nice clean cuts. All this, and this ain't no easy job. This is, you know, cuts. You gotta keep everything straight. It goes all the way up in there, all the way around in here, all the way back around over here. You see it. So yeah, I just want everybody to see what, you know, what kind of life I really live. And I honestly, I work. You know, I'm not really, I mean, I was gonna say I'm not really getting nowhere in life, but I mean, I am. You know, like the lady next door. I do that work and she's like almost in tears, gives me a hug, and she just tells me how grateful. She's like, I'm so thankful for you. She's like, I've had people come and do work, but they've never done it like you do it. It's because I put my heart into it. If you hire me, or in that situation, that's even more. I'm going to put more heart into it when I donate my time for you. And I did for 3 days. I worked for 8, 9, 10 hours sometimes, because I wanted to see her face. And then at the end, every job I do, I got like my own little signature. I have the crosses there, and then in her yard, I did a little, you know, 'cause she's a little older. She's by herself. If you see out front there by the road, right there by that green trash can, there's a big massive tree that I cut down, and then this stump, I turned it into a chair. And I told her, this is right here is if you got some little hoodlum kids or whatever coming over here causing you problems, you put them in timeout. She got a kick out of that. But, yeah, so I'll post something on the trailer. The barn, not really. There's no point in it, because it's like, I'm just, you know, the money is just, we ain't no money. So we're literally, I'm like, just the stuff that was broke, I'm just trying to bring it back to life. We bought a couple boards, you know, I'm trying to make money. So, but thank God I got a place to live. That's the main thing. We got a little bit of business coming in. So all right, guys, you guys have a blessed day.